I'm Cowboy Vinnie, and Black Friday's just not good enough. We're celebrating every week of November along with Movember. Our first week special is this glue pulling kit, $245 value for $99.
Hey guys, I want to give you a rundown of the top 4 cold weather glues. Number 1, tequila ice, incredible formula. Number 2, one that's really going to surprise you, tequila collision, stays super flexible, an all-time favorite for years. Swiss blue, everybody loves the Swiss blue, medium strength. Snowflake, which you guys are soon to find out is going to be something offered in our Black Friday, all Black November sales.
In honor of Movember, you stop by Anson and get your mask washed for free. Also, pick up your bottle of alcohol.
I'm Cowboy Vinnie, and I approve this message.